Leaving Ontario? Key differences to consider about Alberta. If you are contemplating a move from Ontario to Alberta, it is essential to understand the significant differences between these two provinces. Each province has its own unique identity, shaped by its history, geography, and the experiences of its residents. While many people are making this transition in search of new opportunities, it is crucial to consider various aspects that could impact your lifestyle and well-being in Alberta. First, cultural norms play a vital role in daily life and community interactions. Alberta is known for its distinct values and traditions, which may differ significantly from those in Ontario. From social attitudes to recreational activities, understanding these cultural nuances can help you integrate more smoothly into your new community. Political views also vary between the provinces. Alberta tends to lean conservative, whereas Ontario has a more liberal political landscape. This difference can affect everything from local policies to taxation, which in turn influences the cost of living and quality of life. Being aware of the political climate can help you navigate civic engagement and understand the governing priorities that shape your new home. The climate and geography of Alberta present another layer of difference. Alberta's weather can be quite different from Ontario's, with drier conditions and longer winters that may require adjustments in how you prepare for seasonal changes. Familiarizing yourself with the local climate can help you plan for everything from clothing needs to home maintenance. Lastly, economic factors such as job opportunities, cost of living, and taxation can greatly impact your financial situation. Alberta is often seen as an economically attractive province due to lower housing costs and favorable tax rates. However, it is essential to research and compare these economic factors to ensure they align with your financial goals. Understanding these differences can help ensure your move is smooth and successful. By preparing for the cultural, political, climatic, and economic shifts that come with relocating, you can make informed decisions that enhance your experience in Alberta. In this article, we will delve deeper into each of these aspects, providing you with the insights necessary to navigate your transition effectively. 1. Cultural attitudes towards firearms. One of the most notable differences between Alberta and Ontario is the cultural attitude towards firearms and hunting. In Alberta, hunting and gun ownership are deeply rooted in the culture. Many residents view firearms as necessary tools for both recreation and agriculture. For instance, ranchers and farmers often require guns to protect their livestock from predators. In contrast, Ontario has seen a growing anti-firearm sentiment. While there are responsible gun owners in Ontario, the general public discourse tends to be more critical of firearms. This difference can lead to misunderstandings for newcomers from Ontario who may not be accustomed to Alberta's more relaxed attitudes towards gun ownership. 2. Political landscape. The political climate in Alberta is markedly different from that of Ontario. Alberta is known for its conservative leanings, while Ontario tends to be more liberal. This difference can impact various aspects of life, including governance, taxation, and social policies. For example, Alberta's recent elections have resulted in a conservative government that prioritizes individual freedoms and provincial autonomy. Many residents appreciate the government's commitment to listening to the public's concerns, especially regarding issues like education and gun legislation. In contrast, Ontario's government may implement policies that are more restrictive, which can affect how residents feel about their freedoms and rights. 3. Climate and weather. When it comes to climate, Alberta and Ontario offer distinct experiences. Ontario is characterized by its humid continental climate, leading to hot summers and cold winters. In contrast, Alberta has a drier climate, which results in different weather patterns. Many newcomers from Ontario find Alberta's winters to be more manageable due to the lack of humidity. For instance, temperatures in Alberta may be similar to those in Ontario, but the dry air often makes the cold feel less intense. However, Alberta winters can last longer, leading to a greater accumulation of snow. Additionally, Alberta boasts a higher number of sunny days throughout the year, which can positively impact residents' moods. 4. Cost of living and taxes. One of the primary reasons many people move from Ontario to Alberta is the difference in the cost of living. Housing prices and rental rates in Alberta are generally lower than in Ontario. making it an attractive option for those seeking more affordable living conditions. Another significant factor is Alberta's tax structure. The province does not impose a provincial sales tax, which means residents only pay a 5% goods and services tax, GST. This can lead to substantial savings on large purchases, such as vehicles or home appliances. Furthermore, Alberta has no land transfer tax, making buying a home even more appealing. While Alberta does have an income tax, it features the largest personal tax exemption in Canada. This means that individuals earning below a certain threshold do not pay any income tax, and those with higher incomes benefit from a flat tax rate that can be lower than what they might pay in Ontario. 5. The rental market. The rental market in Alberta is experiencing significant changes, largely due to an influx of newcomers. With rising interest rates making it difficult for many to purchase homes, more people are turning to rentals. This increased demand has led to rising rental prices, although they still remain more affordable compared to Ontario. It is important to note that Alberta does not have a rental cap, which can be a concern for some. However, many believe that the absence of such regulations allows the market to self-regulate, potentially leading to a healthier rental environment in the long run. 6. Weather preparedness. When moving to Alberta, understanding the local weather patterns is crucial for preparedness. For instance, while Alberta experiences long winters, the snow is typically dry and less likely to cause power outages compared to the ice storms common in Ontario. Many residents do not feel the need for backup generators due to the lower likelihood of severe weather-related power issues. Air conditioning is also less common in Alberta. Due to the province's dry heat, many homes do not require air conditioning, as the temperature can be manageable with good ventilation. However, for those living in two-story homes, air conditioning may still be a wise investment. If you are considering making this move, it is advisable to engage with local communities and learn more about what life in Alberta entails. Connecting with residents, participating in community events, and exploring local resources can provide invaluable insights that will ease your transition. Engaging in conversations with those who have already made the move can offer first-hand perspectives on the challenges and rewards of living in Alberta. Additionally, joining local social media groups or forums can be an excellent way to ask questions, share experiences, and build a support network. Your experiences and perspectives can significantly enrich your transition. By sharing your journey and learning from others, you can foster a sense of belonging and connection in your new environment. Consider volunteering or participating in local activities to immerse yourself in the culture and meet new people. These interactions can help you feel more at home and give you a deeper understanding of Alberta's unique way of life. Before you go, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights into living in Alberta. These resources cover a variety of topics that can help you prepare for your move and adapt to your new surroundings. From exploring different neighborhoods to understanding local customs, there is a wealth of information available. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is valuable, and I look forward to hearing from you. Engaging with this community will not only help you gather information but also create connections that can last long after your move. Your journey is important, and sharing it can inspire others who are considering a similar path.